Yeah.
Hello, mate. And yeah, this one's a bit feisty. Ow! Yes, people, welcome back to another video. Today, it's a bit different to the usual animal content that I'm posting, but it's still an exciting video nonetheless. Today we are at the Eden Project, which is the world's largest greenhouse and also the world's largest indoor rainforest. So this place was an old quarry mine, a Chinese-owned quarry mine, and it was mined out for 150 years to get clay, which this sign is actually showing you here. And then in 1998, construction started to turn this place into the oasis that it is today. Then it was opened in 2001, and now 24 years later we're visiting it to show you guys the cool plants and things this place has to offer. So yeah, let's get inside. So we're walking out now and you can see the two domes here. This one's Mediterranean themed, and that one there is jungle themed, which I'm most excited for the jungle themed. You can also see the big cliff edge and see where it's been mined out over the years, and all the landscape that's around. So right now we're heading into the first thingy, which is the core home of invisible worlds. I'm not too sure what this is, to be honest, but I guess we'll go in and have a look. It seems to be some sort of just information centre or something. Maybe a museum, who knows. So it's just a big like museum thing with loads of different information and stuff like that about science. So we've just left the museum place now. Although there was like a lot of interesting information that I was reading and things like that, there wasn't really much to record. So yeah, as I said, we're leaving there now, and now we're heading into the first biome, which I'm very excited for. This one is the Mediterranean one. So yeah, I'm expecting just succulents and things like that. So I'm excited, so yeah. A nice little pond here, just on the entrance to the dome. There's so much nice flowers as you walk throughout here. This one's pretty here, little bee on there. I like these ones as well. These are giving me dinosaur vibes. Such a variety of plants around here. Loads of different nice flowers. I bet the bees love it. That purple one there is really nice. Oh yeah, and that big one there. This is the entrance now to the Mediterranean zone, and if you look, it's built into the landscape, which is pretty cool. Little bird just flew past. As you expected, there's lots of succulents around here. I don't even know which way to go. Oh, so it's got different parts. So this part, so we must be going into the Mediterranean part now, and then they've got California, South Africa, Western Australia, which is interesting. And these flowers are right above me here, which are really pretty. And these purple ones, which are even prettier. Yeah, it literally smells like the Mediterranean, which is pretty crazy. Probably because all the plants that they're using, like honeysuckle and things like that. But yeah, it's really nice in here. Getting me hot already. Big cliff there. Got these big conifers, I think they're called, in here. And just, yeah, real nice landscape. Into the California zone now. If the camera quality is seeming a bit different, it's because my GoPro is dying pretty quick, so I'm on iPhone at the moment because I want to save some of the GoPro, obviously, for the jungle zone, but nonetheless it's still real pretty. and it actually does just feel like you're in the Mediterranean, especially with these rock types and things like that as well. It's been done very well. And now we're going into South Africa. Which I've never been to South Africa, but I am going soon, guys, so that will be a future video, and I'll be able to tell you if this reminds me of South Africa. Literally. Loads of big trees and stuff. Yeah, they're nice. Oh yeah, fairies. We are in like going into winter, to be honest, so a lot of the flowers won't actually be blooming, which is a bit sad, but either way it's still real pretty. Which I keep saying I know, but it is. It's real pretty. Robin made his way in here. These trees here are so cool, like big succulents that have grew up, but are real cool. And these flowers here as well, which seem like they're dying off, but it's how nice. Yeah, I'm getting a whiff of something, to be fair, but who knows what. There's flowers everywhere, to be fair, so I don't know what it is. Looks like there's a little river that flows through here, but it's a bit dry at the moment. Moss still nice though, and these ferns as well. Big trees. It's such a shame that my GoPro died so early on. Well, it's not dead actually, it's got like 13%, something like that, which it goes down quick. I thought the battery life would be good on this, so I was recording loads, and then it started going down quick. I realised, hang on a minute, I need to save this life, so. Well, nah, I put it on charge, but it still died anyway, so. That rock is so sick in here. Yeah. All my reptile keepers out there, this is where your cork bark comes from. They just peel it off the tree and it actually doesn't kill the tree. The tree just keeps growing the cork back, which is quite interesting. Every 9 years it grows back. Cool statues over here as well. Back to this building now, and even the buildings look like they're from the Mediterranean. A massive olive tree here. This is probably one of the biggest ones I've ever seen. Even when I went to Greece and things like that, I feel like I ain't seen none this big. So this must be proper old. The olive trees are absolutely massive in here. I mean, look at the size of this one. Cactus. now we're back at the entrance. So I've just finished up now with the Mediterranean section, and now I'm heading into the rainforest biome, which this is the one that I'm most the one that I'm most excited for, because my dream place to visit is a rainforest. So yeah, just walk through the doors now and you can see it's already looking very rainforesty. Proper like a rainforest in here. I mean, look at how thick the tree stumps are. A big Monsera here, and a banana plant there. These plants here are huge as well. Look at the size of those. And we've got these ones here. These leaves are very pretty. These plant leaves here are really nice as well. Got some birds in here, which hopefully you can see because they look really pretty. But yeah. Look at the size of these trees over here. It's crazy how big the trees are growing in this biome. You know, how it's like, you know, an enclosed environment, yet they're still growing so big. The woman was saying that they composted all the soil here themselves off the clay that was here from the quarry, which is quite interesting as well. And it's saying how this is quite a environmentally friendly place. They use geothermal to heat it. They collect their own rainwater and things like this. So not only are they showcasing the natural world, they're also helping to protect it, or at least be sustainable for it. These are very interesting, these here. Look at those, like a brush or something. And these are cool as well. Another huge banana plant there. Look at the size of that. No bananas on it though, but basically touching the roof. Some more nice flowers here. These leaves here are really nice as well. Look at the size of that. Loads of water feature throughout all of here, which is nice. And it's very, very humid in here. That purple plant there is really nice as well. Some information here that you can pause to read about Polynesia and Hawaii. Cool that they got little birds roaming there, to be fair. And look how tall this tree here. That is cool. The waterfall here. They've got a bunch of itch plant down there, which I'm actually growing in a couple of my terrariums and stuff. A bottle palm, it does look like a bottle. And those pretty cool. All these leaves and stuff here are really nice. And these flowers. Look at the size of those leaves on that tree there, that's crazy. It still is blowing my mind that all of this is growing, one in the Cotswolds and two inside a big dome. Like, it's pretty crazy. And here's the waterfall here. You can't really get a good view of it, but I think there's a better view further up. Another big tree. You can see it here a bit. Look at this river. It's actually flowing really fast as well, surprisingly. There's have a big pump doing that. Look at the size of this bamboo here, wow. Bit bad that people have been carving on there and stuff though. Made it to the waterfall. I've only got a bit of charge left in the GoPro, so I'm just trying to get everything I can. But this place is honestly crazy. These look like water hyacinths or something like that. Looking nice. Pretty high up now. This is a real nice plant here, isn't it? Maybe. Looks like an umbrella. Information here on the baobab tree, which I was actually watching a Madagascar documentary about these trees, and they're very interesting. I'm guessing this is meant to be some sort of representation of one, but people in Madagascar actually hollow out these trees, and when it rains it collects the water and can be used as like a big water reservoir, which is quite interesting. And I think they've got some smaller ones here, but yeah, one day I'll definitely get to Madagascar and see some of these things out in the wild.
1,000 litres of water.
1,000 litres of water, see.
Oh, and the elephants can drink from it.
I've got these commentarium plants. I've got a couple of these at home. I've got the itch plant, I've got this one at home. Not any of these ones. I've got this one at home as well. But really nice. Okay, so now we've finished up with both the different biomes, and I think we're going to go and do a zip line which goes all across the whole park. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to record of this, but if you pan out and look, you can see the big zip line out of there. Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, so you can see now I'm all equipped up, ready to do this zip line in. We go from over there, far over there, and come over here, which should be pretty good, to be fair. And we get to go over all of the Eden project, which is pretty exciting. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to record much.
But you get a camera up here.
Yeah, so if it ain't too muggy, I might put it in the vlog. But yeah, that's it. Hello, mate. So we're staying on like the Cornish coast in a place called Maragisi, I think I'm pronouncing that right. And basically down the road from where we're staying, there's like an aquarium place. It like showcases local fish that you can find here in the ocean, and just marine life that you can find in the ocean. So we're gonna go inside there now and have a look, see what fish and like lobsters and stuff they've got in there. So yeah, it should be quite cool. Just walking there now. Not a bad little walk, eh? Maybe.
coast here? Okay.
Yeah.
Lobster in there.
Oh, okay. You can see that.
One lucky lobster, isn't
Yeah, I know.
No, he's in at down here. Is it a spine coming? Is it? It's called that. I'm sure that's what we saw the other silly.
These are dog.
What are they called, sorry? Dogfish.
They just don't be.
What's this one called?
That's a conger eel.
A conger eel. He's massive, isn't he?
Yeah.
This-
Be
look at this one,
released before
Phoenix.
long because the last one we had that got really big. It went on a rampage.
Started eating everything.
Yeah, it did.
What was this one called?
Balan wrasse.
A balam wrasse. This one's really pretty.
I've never seen it today.
Yeah, they live on rocky seabeds. Eels.
These must be some sea bass here. And this one's a pollock.
I don't think it's really good.
So right now we're on the harbour and we've got 2 crab nets going. So fingers crossed we catch some crabs. But I guess we will see. So we've been successful. I've caught 4 crabs out of only 1 trap. I'm gonna go check the other trap now and see. Obviously these are gonna get released back into the ocean because I feel too bad killing them. And I wouldn't want to kill them anyway. But anyway, I'll pick one up to show you guys. Hopefully I don't get pinched.
Even if you don't want to kill them, we'll get much meat out of them.
Literally, it wouldn't be a nice meal. This
Nice.
guy's trying to pinch me. Ow, and he did pinch me. I'll put on the screen what species of crab these are because I'm not entirely sure. But they're probably just common crabs. Ah. And yeah, this one's a bit feisty. Ow. Got me a lot, he did. Let's go check the other crab. Hopefully none of the seagulls eat my crabs, man. You better watch them. Pulling it up. Absolutely nothing. Follow me down. So we've caught loads of crabs. I lost count to be honest, but there's lots of them in here. And now we're gonna go release them. We've got 1, 2, 3. Oh, I nearly pinched me. 4, 5, 6. Oh, I just put my foot in the water, man. Oh my days. 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty good. I've only been out here for about 20 minutes, so that's pretty good. And yeah, some food for the crabs time.
Solid.
Right people, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Make sure you subscribe because I've got a lot of content coming up, not only vlogs but also building animal enclosures like for my bearded dragon, Herman tortoise, chickens, and then as I said, a lot of vlogs coming up as well. Ending it now with a nice view and the Cornish coastline. And yeah, as I said, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.